Hello students, welcome to the new class. Today's topic for class 6 is force and its types. The word force means a push or pull acting on a body which tends to change its states of rest or motion. Like suppose this is the body, car. When we applying some force with our hands, the body start moving. First, the body is in state of rest, but when we applying some force on the body start moving. Similarly, when the body is continuously moving and we applying some force on the body will stop. This is called the force. Here we can write first, what is force? Force is a push or pull acting on a body which tends to change its state of rest and motion. Generally, we can denote the symbol force by capital F, and the SI unit of force is Newton. The symbol represent the force is arrow. This arrow represent the directions of force. Now come to the types of force here. Force are two types. First, contact force. Second, non-contact force. Non-contact force is also called action at a distance. Action at a distance force. Now what is contact force? Contact force acts only when the objects are in physical contact with each other. Suppose, once again I will give the example. This is the car. Now without contact the body cannot move. If we applying some contact on the body, then the body will start moving. It means there is a contact between the body and the hand. That is contact force. Like kicking a football is the example. Pulling a cart is also the example of contact force. So contact force means there should be contact between the two objects. Now come to the non-contact force. Non-contact force means without contact the body. It means some kinds of force which can be exerted from a distance without touching the object, like gravitational force. When the body is throwing vertically upward, it comes back to the ground. Why? Some types of force is acting on the body, that is called gravitational force. Like magnetic force,